It's really such a big and long snake. Hello my friends, I would like to tell you about my experience going to the zoo in Chatham Part 2. First, we were welcomed by these 4 artificial robotic gorillas. They are so funny and cute. We can see that they are playing some musical instrument. This is the head of African buffalo. Look at its big and strong horns. They are so sturdy, aren't they? Now we can see some guinea pigs in a cage. These lizards are exotic. Let's look at it closer. Here are some funny birds. They are so colorful. They are beautiful, aren't they? Some birds are unique. This bird is one of them. This bird is unique because it can talk.
Hello, hello.
Did you hear it? It says hello. What a unique bird. Look at this cat. It has long and thick hair. It's so fluffy. They have some goldfish too. Look, they swim happily. This is the other lizard. It used to live in the desert. This zoo has some turtles in various sizes. These are the small ones. Look, they are eating. These ones are the medium size. These ones are larger than the previous ones. And these ones are the largest. What a spectacular animal! Here are some chickens. They are so fluffy. This is an alpaca. And this one is a camel. You can feed them directly from a safe distance. These are some cute rabbits. Look at this snake. It's so exotic. It has a yellow color. Wow, such a long snake. Are you trying to escape, snake? This snake is also long and big. But not as long and big as this one. This This one is a Python reticulatus. It has more than 7 meters long. Can you imagine that? It's almost the same like 5 adults piled up. But don't worry, it won't bite you. It's dead and preserved. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.